In the next 4 minutes, we're going to talk about managing duplicate contacts in Salesforce. When a user onboards with Sales Desktop, typically there's a problem where you need to consolidate and integrate the data from Salesforce with personal contact data that exists in Outlook and marry the master data with the private data for each personal user from their contact notes. Invisible CRM provides a de-duplication tool within Outlook that provides an onboarding to easily combine personal Outlook contacts with master data from Salesforce. Let's take a look at how it works. In contacts, as you can see in this example, we've got a lot of Salesforce contacts by the highlighted gold icons and Outlook contacts with a standard Outlook contact icon. There seems to be some duplicates, so let's go ahead and run the duplication tool. You've got a lot of variety or a lot of choices. You can run it by email. You've got auto merge possibilities as well. So a company can give us specific rules they want to use to auto merge contact records, and we can process those automatically. In some cases, users want to be able to compare and contrast individual records line item by line item to make sure they get the most accurate data, and we support that as well. We have the ability to show only the fields that change, or all the fields that exist in any given data record and combine the two. The green checks represent the information that is being used for the combined record. We've got some options as far as what to do with those records, to keep two separate records, to do nothing, or to merge them into a single record that's shared with Salesforce and to delete the original Outlook record. But in compare and merge, we complete the cycle and the native Outlook record will then be removed and replaced by the shared Salesforce record. This ensures that a user gets only one contact record that contains both the master data from Salesforce and any personal data that he or she may have put in that record as well. You can look up by phone number, by email, by first name, by last name, and if you get a large number of duplicates, we've got another feature that enables executive assistants to help their bankers or senior partners take care of this by exporting a data file of all the duplications that lists the records, the Outlook value, and the Salesforce value, so a principal can very quickly, on an airplane, a ride home, circle the features or the values that he wants to see in the record without having to go through and get involved in the tool. We can even look things up by phone numbers. So you can find somebody that has completely divergent types of information, but phone numbers are the same. We can manage that quite easily as well. You can see here I can select one field from a contact record and another field from a Salesforce record and combine the two merged fields. I still have a duplicate record left, so let's take a look at that one more time. And maybe let's search by just the contact's email address this time. Again, we can auto-process the record if the auto-processing is available, or compare and contrast each record and combine the pieces that we want to see. In this case, we know that the contact likes to be called Dave instead of David, so we processed it this way. We're now going to take one last swipe at it and maybe use first name and last name. We have one more record there. Maybe the emails were different, they weren't the same, but we have a person that might have been at different companies. Thanks for taking the time to take a look at our de-duplication features of Outlook and contact data with Salesforce data from directly within Outlook. For additional information, drop a line to inquiries@invisiblecrm.com. Thanks.